Emeril cooker. And now there's leftover chicken. As you can see, I shredded it. And I'm boiling some pasta. Okay, y'all. I know that looks delicious as is, but we're not done yet. By the way, I used a box of Walmart mac and cheese. I didn't make my own homemade mac and cheese because I'm not at the level of some of you fancy pants chefs. But we're gonna put this in the pan, hope it fits. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese and a few more breadcrumbs, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, ain't it pretty? Sure it is. I also mixed in a little bit of Cajun seasoning, some Mrs. Dash, a little seasoned salt, some minced onion, some garlic salt. So it should be nice and flavorful, hopefully. And like I said, I sprinkled the cheese and a little bit more of the breadcrumbs on. We're going to stick it in the oven for 375, and I'm going to give it 30, maybe 35 minutes and see how it's doing. Come back and we'll see what's going on. Looky there, y'all. My first ever casserole. And it was made with leftovers from a dinner I made. Doesn't that look yummy? I think it looks yummy. It's a little too hot to taste test right now, but I'll let you know one way or the other. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the wonderful things you say and do, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. So, we'll see you next time, y'all. Bye!